today's online YouTube video. So our today's subject is Unit 3 Adjective. In the previous lecture also we have seen what is adjective. Adjective tell us more information about noun or pronoun which is given in the sentences. Even the adjective describe the noun or pronoun according to its shapes, material, texture and size also and color also. That means in the grammar adjective plays very important role to describe the noun or pronoun or to describe the things also which is available at our surrounding or which we have to describe. That means the adjective tell us more information about noun and pronoun. With example also we have seen, right? And even we have learned in detail the types of adjective. There were 6 types of adjective. Adjective of quality we have seen, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective and possessive adjective. These 6 types we have seen in detail. Even we have completed the focus exercises also. These focus exercises also we have completed, right, if you remember. And these jumbled sentences also we have put in a proper order. Even practice exercise A we have completed in our last video. Now it's time to do the extension exercise. Now it's time to do the extension exercise. In oral we have also learned about the confusing pair like little, a little, few, a few, some or any, much, many, interesting, interested, bored, boring, shocked, shocking, annoyed, annoying. This confusing pair also we have seen. Now with the help of that confusing pair and by understanding the sentence, the meaning of the sentence, we have to complete the exercise of extension. So what the instruction is there? The instruction is complete the sentence with the correct options. That means the sentence are there. You also can see the page number 18 if you have a GE book. So open the page number 18 and you can also see the extension exercise. 12 sentences are there with 2 options. 12 sentences are there with 2 options and you have to find out the proper, suitable, appropriate option to fill the blanks. So let's see the first sentence. Mansi ate blank space little blank little as she had eaten a heavy breakfast. Now what is here? Mansi ate blank space as she had eaten a heavy breakfast. Now Mansi ate a little or little. So what is the suitable? Little. So answer is, and the sentence is completed. Now once read the sentence. Mansi ate little as she had eaten a heavy breakfast. Now see the second sentence. Suhail is blank space. Two options are there, puzzled and puzzled. Slash by the, again blank space, two options. Puzzled riddles. Now, what is our second sentence? Suhail is blank space by the blank space riddle. Suhail is puzzled. What will come there? Suhail is puzzled. Puzzled by the puzzling riddles. So this is our appropriate confusing pair which we used here. This is the correct option. So Suhail is puzzled by the puzzling riddles. Now see the third one. Blank space, few or a few. People will dare to challenge Yokosumo for a fight. Blank space, people will dare to challenge Yokosumo for a fight, and the options are few, a few. Which will be suitable there? Only few. Few people. Few people will dare to challenge Yokosumo for a fight. Now the fourth one I write. Is there blank space any or relative point to this story? Is there little point to this story, or is there any point to this story which is correct, which is suitable there? Any. Right? Is there any point to this story? So this is the correct option. You please note down these 4 sentences in your notebook, those who are not having the GE book. And if you are having the GE book, so you can directly write the options, correct option in the blank space which is given in the test. just rub these first two sentences. Now see the fifth one. It was a very blank space, tiring or tired. Two options are there. Journey, no wonder, Seema is tired. Sorry, blank space is there. Again, two options, tired slash tiring. Now, the fifth sentence is, it was a very blank space journey. No wonder Seema is blank space. So, in the first, it was very tiring journey. It was very tiring journey. Tiring journey. No wonder Seema is tired. Right? Now the sixth one. Matt and Sam are busy. They will meet at a later or later. Two options are there. Meet at date. So which is the suitable answer? Latter. And the sentence is, Matt and Sam are busy. They will meet at a latter. Sorry, double T I have written. Latter date. Now the seventh. Blank space. A few. Or few. Two options. People turn up at the concert. concert. Now what will be the answer? Few people. Few people turn up at the concert, right? Because we cannot write a few. It will be just few people. Few people turn up at the corner. Now the eighth one. Would you like to drink? Would you like to drink? Options. Two options. Choose. Sorry, some or any. So what will come there? Would you like to drink some juice? Some will be there. You just note down this all 4 sentences in your notebook. Now again 4 sentences are left there. 9, 10, 11 and 12. So I hope you have written this. So I just rub this 5th and 6th one. Would you like to drink some? Few people. 9th one already I have taken. 7th one is missing. It was our 9th one. By mistakenly we have taken directly the 9th one because the option there same a few, and I just directly write down the 9th one sentence. So first we'll write here the 7th sentence. 9th one is completed. There is also 2 options, that's why I was confused. A few and few. Marks beauty. Set aside. Set aside for speaking skill. Blank space is there and 2 options, a few and few. marks will be set aside for a speaking skill. So what will be there? A few marks. A few marks will be set aside for speaking skill. Now we see the 10th one. It was a blank space, two options, shock slash shocking. Shock and shocking discovery. So the 10th one is, it was a shock or a shocking discovery. So what will be the answer? It was shocking discovery. Shocking discovery. Anshuman can be bored, blank space, bored option, boring, when he starts talking about comic books, when he starts talking about comic books. Now what will be here? Anshuman can be bored, can be boring. Anshuman can be boring when he starts talking about comic books. Now our last one sentence is left, so we complete it. The different school is the different schools in the city planted blank space, two options, much and many, trees during world involvement, week. Now see, the different school in the city planted many trees. What will be option? Many. The different schools in the city planted many trees during World Environment Week. Right? Now again you write down these 4 sentences in your notebook. What the mistake I did? There one mistake. I have directly taken the 9th sentence. So you just change the number as 9 to 7 and 7 to 9. And complete this all in your test in your notebook also. In our next video, we will see the difference between demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective. We will see this both we have seen in detail, but the difference we will see between the demonstrative pronoun and the demonstrative adjective. We'll meet soon in our next video. Till then, bye bye, take care and thank you.